Welcome back to Modern Ronin Media. My name is Tommy, and this is a channel where we talk about filmmaking for people who love the art of filmmaking. And today we're doing an unboxing. I have been waiting since November to actually see this product in stock. And fortunately, and luckily, we got it in stock at B&H. And before we get started, I gotta say, please do me a favor. If you like these videos or any of the videos that you see on this channel, do me a favor and subscribe. Click the bell icon for notifications. And of course, give a thumbs up if you like this video. And comment, share, do all of that. So here we go. What is this product that's been so hard to find? It's going to be a new camera to use to make these videos. I love using the Komodo and the Dragon, but it's really heavy on the media side and storage side. So got something smaller, similar to like a point and shoot that's supposed to be really good, which seems a little odd for a filmmaking channel, but I think you'll like it. We got sent to us, but this is what I should actually say. We got the Sony ZV-E10. I have been looking for this product for the last 6 months. Best Buy, B&H, Adorama, Amazon, and I'd see onesies and twosies come in literally to the point that I would go click on add to cart in B&H and it would already be sold out. So I was lucky enough to stumble across this earlier this week and decided to pull the trigger on it. One of the reasons why I went with this particular model was because it is small, it is compact, it does shoot in XAVC, but it has interchangeable lenses. So we can use the 24-70 that we have on the Komodo right now as we're filming this on this camera with a quick EF to E mount adapter. So let's see what's inside. Sony likes their oranges in their packaging. Honestly, for an $800 camera, could have done a little bit of better packaging, it sounds like. But it's also my first Sony, so I have nothing to compare it to. So, as with everything, we have paperwork galore. And a little note on the top of this, probably for warranty information. So let's take a look at this little camera. On the inside, we have what appears to be the camera, body and lens, and accessories. So let's start with this. This camera is known for this little fuzzy microphone guy cover, wind cover that comes with it. I don't know very many people that are actually going to shoot, I could be wrong, that are actually going to shoot using the on-camera mic. But if you're out in a windy condition like it is outside today here, this is a helpful tool. We have a USB to outlet plug, American that is. We have a tiny battery. It's an MPF FW50 battery. Apparently with this camera, these things are supposed to last for a very long time, so that's a good thing. Of course, with every dual purpose camera, be it a Canon 5D, some of the new Canon RFs, the Panasonic GH5, the A7 series, they all got to come with a neck strap. What is this? A USB-C, making the assumption that it is for power. So it doesn't look like it actually comes with a charger for the battery. So it's going to be a plug into the camera and charge in camera battery, or charge the camera, charge the battery with in the camera. Which for this first charge isn't a big deal, but if you have multiple batteries charging, that could be an issue. So if I decide to keep this, which I have every reason to believe I will keep this, let's face it, I'm one of those people, I buy things, and as I'm waiting for it to get here, I'm already having buyer's remorse. But I do think that this is going to be a very, very useful tool. So let's take a look at the camera itself. Here it is. So right off the bat, it has a big LCD screen that pops off. Made definitely to be a vlogging camera, so you can just have it 180 or facing you as you're talking. It does flip around 180 degrees, so I would keep it like this when I transport it. It does have the 16-250 3.5 to 5.6 kit lens on it, and it is, looks like it's optical steady shot. So I don't know if that means the lens itself has optical stabilization or if there's another way it's doing it. I do know that the camera itself does not have stabilization. So if you buy a lens that's not auto stabilizing, say, again, I'm brand new to the Sony world, so we'll do a whole review on this later. But if you have a lens that does not have built-in stabilization, like the Canon 70-200 that I own, you're not gonna get any in-body stabilization from my understanding. It's hefty, it's not super lightweight, it's not super heavy for the size of the camera. I have played with the ZV-1, and this thing is significantly more mass than the ZV-1. It has a large record button, tele wide to control the lens. Some really basic buttons. Again, I'm brand new to this ecosystem, so we'll be playing this by ear as we do it. I do have a couple more videos coming out. That was it. This is the Sony ZV-E10. We'll get some footage hopefully in the next couple days and have this up. I don't know if it's going to be included in this video, but for now, thank you so much for watching. And as I always say, this is kind of proof, you don't have to have the best equipment. You just need to have the equipment that works for you. And in this case, this camera should be shooting most of these videos from now on. And I think we're still going to get the same quality. All right, guys, you have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon.